Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Qanda app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on money down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on my page, you just click on it, then you click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on here, and here you select here your current grade here, then you click here on that. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I give it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.